a talking hop patron, specially brewed green hop beer, plus a mixture of venerable tradition and up-to-the-future solutions. All intermingled with stimulating conversations. Krones at the BrauBeviale 2019.
So besides the topics of increased efficiencies and strong request for higher flexibility in the market, there was one issue discussed very intensive in this year, and this was the plastic discussion. So our customers have a lot of questions and expecting answers, and we could at least give a lot of them. We presented very good solutions to reduce downtimes in the line or along the whole supply chain. We had very innovative solutions in the packaging, especially in the secondary packaging, and also very intelligent solutions in the intralogistic part, which leads to a lot of flexibility. And not to forget our products we have already developed for the market in the area of digitalization.
At the BrauBeviale, Krones Lifecycle Service and Syskron combined their solutions and services. They took the clients on a trip into the digital service support of the future.
We are all connected worldwide.
Service support for Krones clients is also the mission statement of the Krones Shop digital platform, which was inaugurated 5 years ago. Today, the online shop is available in more than 120 different countries and can supply almost 5 million spare parts. And the success story is set to continue.
The vision is more and more digitalization. We know it from ourselves, from the home use. It's more and more a more-wordness for shopping, and in this case it's also a big way for Krones to take all the information together on one platform, also with some write system behind it to save the Krones information and build new business models to sell some documentation or give more information for our customers to save the way for Krones to the future.
On the new machine level, the Craftmake G compact glass filler was premiered. It's the ideal beer and CSD filler for the small output range, up to 24,000 containers per hour.
Yes, the biggest benefits are for the small output range of the layout. The footprint of the filler is very, very small, and you can do the same functionality things like you can do with the bigger size of the model fill series, and you have every possibilities to run all common bottles in the glass industry on this existing filler with every function you normally get on the module fill series of the Krones AG.
Designed to harmonize with the Craftmake G, and an eye-catcher at this year's Brau was the Vario Flash B Flash Pasteurizer.
We present here our smallest pasteurizer system, a Vario Flash B with a capacity of 18 to 45 hectoliters per hour. Products are beer mixed beverages and CSD, and our main focus on customer side is craft brewer and breweries with small batches. So the complete machine design is rather compact. We have a horizontal buffer tank which allows container cargo. The machine is very easy in installation and commissioning, and also for the production we are focused on the main function of a pasteurizer, means heating and cooling and buffering the product before filling, and also this will lead in very low maintenance costs.
It's meanwhile up and running in more than 2,500 installations worldwide. The field-proven Botech F1, celebrating its 25th birthday.
Due to the high development efforts which was done within the last years, Botech becomes more and more a state-of-the-art process control system. Here I would like to point out the standardized interfaces, first to our own software solutions like LMS, LIMS and our production tool, but also to external systems from OEMs. Here it's special to mention that Botech is able to have a visualization on 4 different visualization platforms. For instance, WinCC of Siemens, InTouch from Wonderware, iFix from General Electric, and our own software tool Iltis. And that's in combination with an absolute consistent tracking and tracing. We are talking today about a high sophisticated process control system.
On an equally cross-sectoral basis, Krones subsidiary Cosme scores highly with its Flexorsensical, which provides gentle container handling with self-adhesive labels.
Is the most popular labeler that we have, self-adhesive. Self-adhesive. In this machine is configured for kegs and big container in self-adhesive solution.
When it comes to valves and pumps for the food and beverage industries, then Krones EvoGuard subsidiary is a must. Its potent technology scores highly across the board. Its self-priming centrifugal pump is now in series production.
The benefit of this pump is that it can handle liquid with more gas, and also it can suck very well liquid from faraway tanks, and also the benefit is it's made from full material, so we have very good surfaces at the product room.
Given this bandwidth, a visit to Krones' stand at the BrauBeviale fair in Nuremberg was definitely worthwhile. Machines, systems and solutions from the House of Krones, designed to offer an authentic added value for the entire beverage and liquid food sectors. This appears to have succeeded admirably.
This all together with the extreme high know-how and experience of our customers, we had very exciting and interesting discussions with them, which leads also to very good ideas and chances for the future, which I am really motivated that it will be a positive future. I would like to thank all visitors of the Krones booth, especially our customers, and the whole Krones team for this exciting and successful exhibition, and looking forward to the BrauBeviale in next year.
In this spirit, best wishes and see you at the next BrauBeviale in 2020.